That is SLT Rainbow Pages mobile app, SLT Publications Private Limited.
Good morning, and thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. Okay, I'm not going to waste time, right? I know time is precious. Right. I'm going to talk slightly a different subject, information. I know some of y'all, when you say information, you all must be thinking something related to with very complicated IT stuff. No, it's simple stuff. I'm just talking about Royal College. I'm talking about Kapruka, and I'm going to see how to find a rent-a-car. Right, so those are the information you need. Maybe a hotel, maybe a plumber, or while sitting here, you may wanted to contact your bank, right? So those are the information you need. So what we have done is we have changed our strategies, and the information, right? To provide the information more accurately, and even to search information quite comfortably, we have grouped this information. For example, like business organizations, Kapruka, or maybe Singer, or maybe HSBC Rajagiri, or even a certain product, a hotel, a plumber, or a pet shop, or even a carpenter. Okay, those are the product services you need in your day-to-day life. Or maybe a government institute, quite important, the identity card office, if you lose it, or if you want to get a passport, yes, that particular institute is very important. To find those in the address, the contact number is the next challenging stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, to make life convenient, we have introduced a range of products. So if you put all our products into one nutshell, it looks like this. We do have the print, that's a traditional thing, but now we have diversified into the digital era, where we have a directory CD, a mobile app, an e-book, as well as Rainbow Pages website, and with your phones you can access any of those information which I told you. So in other words, it's the print, and from the computer there are three ways you can access the information, that is the web, ebook, CD, and from your mobile it's the call center and mobile application. What we notice is, if you simply ask a married person, what is the closest thing to you now? Answer is not the wife. That was few years back. Now it's your phone. And it's vice versa. If you ask the wife, it's the same thing, because even the night, what they do is they just keep on pressing things and search. You work with your phone. Because I feel very soon the phone is going to replace your laptops and your tabs and all your computers. And now it has happened. So that has focused our attention to concentrate more on the mobile phones. So ladies and gentlemen, we have developed a mobile app called SLT Rainbow Pages. So it's available in Apple and Android, and also for the other operation system we have started developing. So this is a free app, anybody can download, because the information is very important, either for a professional or even for a layman or a laborer, even a student. He may want to find the school phone number for some reason. So for all these people, this information is very vital. So this product is a common product, everybody can have, and it's free. And in this in this mobile app, the information is not limited to a name, an address, and a phone number. You get the email addresses, the digital map, the website, and quite a lot of other information. There are a few objectives that made us to develop this. One is, now we have shifted from the traditional print to the digital era, so we want to move with ICT. So we thought this is also one of the best products, and in rest of the world there are directory apps, so we thought, yes, why don't we introduce the same feature or same product to the local market as well as to make life very convenient. To make quick decisions, you need the information on the go. So that was one of our objective, and also we have to build our loyalty, and we are the only directory in the country at the moment. There is no other directories, so we just have to give this proper service to the public, and this is a generic product directory. And of course you got to make some money as well, because everything you can't give it free. Although this is free, so we have to generate money. So how do we generate money is, there are quite a lot of people who are interested in placing their advertisements, their banners into this because they know people use this. People find information from this. So when they put their banner, they get some revenue from these banners, and we too get a revenue from these banners. So that's how we have able to develop all this IT stuff. So there's quite a lot of benefits. It's 24/7 and it's very user friendly, so you don't have to know rocket science to operate this. Even a small child can do it. I'll do a small demonstration, so from that you will notice. So the information is accurate, up to date. Let's say a company, a well-known company changes from one operator to another operator. So within 24 hours, we'll have those numbers. If a company shifts from A to B location, in 20 hours, less than 24 hours, we can update those information in the app. And also, it is not limited to SLT, anybody can has it, and any operator, from any operator's phone you can has it, and not only limited to the local market, even globally we have noticed there are people has downloaded this app. Right, okay, rather than going through this, I will just show a small demonstration. And this is the interface, this is the home page. When you download the app, there are two ways of searching information. On top, you get a search bar where you can type a company name or a government name or an institute name and do the searching. Or the next option is, there are few categories. There are almost about 22 categories like food, health. So anybody who's interested, let's say finding a restaurant, you just click food and find restaurants, whatever the restaurant, maybe a Chinese or maybe a Japanese, you can find all those information there. And let's say even a bank or even an embassy. Now let's say when you talk about embassies, I just would like to add this, even we do have the Sri Lankan embassies overseas. For example, let's say you go to Korea and you lose your passport. What do? There's no help. You got to go to the local embassy there, the Sri Lanka. So there, if you have the app, because we take our mobiles. So if you go to the app, there's an icon called embassies. You just click that. You find all those Sri Lankan embassies overseas and with the digital maps. Because the Korea, when you go, they don't know English. Like you got to show them map and so tell them, look, this is the place I want to go. So the drivers could help you. Right. And there are about 1,600 product service categories like this. Banks, whatever the product or service you need, it's basically in this app. And underneath, you get a banner as well. And when you come to the final search result, you get the company name, you get their other details, and also there is a detail page here where this particular restaurants have put more details about them, and if you click that, goes to their own website as well. And the digital map are marked, so you know the location, so you don't have to stop and ask three-wheeler drivers how to find this place. So do it yourself. It's very easy now. So these are some of the features where people, the companies can put their logos, not only the private sector, the government sector companies. And let's say if I want to make this as a favorite, where I do need to call this company frequently, I can do that by pressing the favorite button there. I can make it favorite. And not only a company name, address, phone number, we do have, if you see, you can see all their branches if you press that button. And also, if you want to contact a particular department of this organization, that is possible. If you click that, there's a button called departments. So either you want to find the finance or bank or, sorry, finance or marketing, you can find those phone numbers as well. Thank you very much, and I wish everybody all the best. And I hope if you all have not downloaded this, please do it because it's going to make your life convenient. You can check it out yourself. Thank you very much.